every night goes. Sleeping on this, you gon' need some fireproof night clothes. Crash your computer, brain freezes, that'll leave your mind froze. Yeah. Said it's hazes and pages of phrases that amazes the ages when placed on stages. My ways are so courageous, they say it's contagious, but our praises just go to the Savior so gracious. What a planet so vast and so spacious, depressed, pessimistic, failing to see what we've been laced with is heavenly spaces, and they forever one being spacious. The land of free ain't free, so don't you think you're later, just make shit strategize my greatness. My time is now, fuck the waiting list. If I wasn't shining, you couldn't be hating this. The spirit of God within me, say this for the atheists, an infinite energy sitting to liven up your playlist. As long as you feel it, can care less what your size, hide away this. Just know, digitalize my dope and skip the rumors. I burn a master disc for computers, hot shit for consumers. Spring break in your bloomers, hangovers that be bitter like tumors. Wish these painkillers kick in sooner. Stay jumping so I can teach my flipping to junior, so I can sit back, watch my grandson dip on the scooter, take trips to Aruba. I have you missing like a ship in Bermuda. Stamped A1, breaks in from Cuba. Big blow like tubas. It gets deeper than scubas, cause you gotta be low when you make your maneuvers. I'm them the state troopers. You know that they swoopers and scoopers. Could care less if you a baller or hoopers. They tryna shit on your day, man. And guess who's your pooper? Cause they gon' call a grouper. Super cops, SWAT teams. You gon' wonder when the shooting stop. Running the country, so you know they got stupid guap. Care less if you get popped.
First, top of the first round, let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. That's what I got him. I said, to the people at home, listen to the whole league. This nigga could never hold me or hold me. I leave you with the holy. I mean, with each and every hole leaves. When these holes leave, he gonna try to slowly approach me like, Los, please. He said, I'm nature boy, you know I'm good with the wood. Please let me hold some trees. I'm thinking, nature boy, good wood, hold some trees, except for some sheaves. That's when I'm gonna take them to 5 oaks and get 5 ropes and tie them to 5 oak trees. Then I'm gonna wait for you to die of a stroke and wait for your soul to leave. Then we're gonna wait for you to freeze and throw you in a hole of some leaves. That's my new definition of letting niggas hold some trees. Helping get in tune with nature. Boy, you've been in a bitch your whole entire life. Even back in Jesus' days, you wouldn't be on the block pitching no rocks with the homies. This is the old me. Listen, he told C, he said, see, Ray, when you look in the mirror, you see a figment of your imagination. You are not you. Is that what he said? Right, but that says a lot about who you are, because you misspelled your own name with the U and the R. Because it's supposed to be N-A-T-U-R-E, but really it's N-A-T-R-U-E, because Jawan Jones, you are not true. See, I got a deluxe hollow that we loaded up just to pop you. You know how it is, 30 bucks just to pay 5 views. So if I keep it real with you, it was practice. I spit some bars on C-Ray that was really old for Hustle Simmons, Brave Nature Boy. Cause he didn't show up for the rematch, but your whack ass didn't show up the first time, Nature Boy. And why did you even name yourself that? That's after Ric Flair. Sound like you riding some old ass white wrestlers dickheads. They look at me, they think this shit's fair. Look at him and looking at me now, really. If we were supposed to be named after a wrestler, wouldn't it be Booker T? Looks to me, you should have named yourself Junkyard Dog. That was there. Didn't he have a junky ass yard with a dog that was locked in the closet? I couldn't tell if it was shitting more or pissing on the floor. Plus it's a fire hazard. It's like 10 space heaters with 1,000 extension cords. That's the reason that it's missing the door. But as soon as you finish the record and shit on your metaphors, that's when his mom opened up from upstairs like, Jawan Jones, you don't shut that shit off and get up here and finish these chores. That's when he metamorphed into a straight bitch. But I knew that was his form before. So what he turns into, I'm really sure. I can't do my man. Listen, check it out. So this is my cure. Nigga, if you had all the AIDS and all of the cancers, I said my weakest metaphors would be 374 million times better than yours. I said, you seen my flicks from before? You should know that this clip is a whore and it would not go well. You know you got that corny ass crew. They be like, Nature, we got beef. You got those shells? He be like, hell yeah. As soon as the nigga pull up, both arms out the window. I'm all about my man. That's that's when I pull up. He be like, hey, we're ready to take your order. Wilson, welcome back to Taco Bell. I said, Nature, this what you mean when you say you cop those bells, getting guap with your homies? He said, yeah. He said, I'm getting cheese dough. He said, they got Doritos, Locos, Tacos, and plus they got green dough, that guacamole. He said, I'm sick of catching a bus out to the green dough where my old job was only. I said, you know I gotta expose it. It's on you, I'm just water, nigga. Yeah, alright, that's round one, Losiano right there. What y'all think? Round one, Losiano. Hold on, we got. Y'all ain't heard Nature yet. Yeah. Round one, we at the top of round one. Hey, and y'all gotta give motherfuckers they shit. If y'all think they deserve their props, give motherfuckers props. Right, and if y'all don't think he deserves his props, don't give a motherfucker his props. I don't have a nigga walk around thinking like he hard, and he ain't hard. Keep honest with a nigga, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bottom of the first round, Nature boy. Nature boy, you Nature boy. It's on you, let's get it.
Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm high, I'm intoxicated, and this right here is the first round. See, this nigga said he sell that ganja for a living. He's fucking 48 years old and still ain't sold his first pound. This shit is a game to me. Your head shaped like a football, so every time I talk to you, I'm thinking first down. Nature the funny dude, but Losiano, you ugly, you're like the first clown. I'm talking bozo. I hear you talking gangster shit, and I'm thinking like, you're not a thug no more. Or were you ever? See, you the kind of nigga that's selling nickel and dime bags that'll work forever. But hold on. No disrespect to niggas that sell them dime bags, because sometimes I need that. But if I call you and ask you for it, and you say if it ain't a quarter or more, I don't need that. You're not a hustling ass nigga. Cause me, I want every penny. When my money do get big, I'm gonna buy every car and every Hemi. See, you thinking I'm friendly, but Nature just opening up. Cause this dread right here look like a fucking grenadier from Puffin' the Dutch. First off, this is war right now, Lo, so first I'm gonna clap your legs. And then I'm gonna end that sentence with saying, I ain't never seen a man with nappy dreads. I quit right there, fuck time frames. Because what Nature does is control the very ground we stand on right now. But for y'all women, y'all call it mind games. Okay, give it up for Nature boy, y'all. Right. He took the hat off on it. He took the hat. What you gonna do, Los? Los. Second, Los. What's up, man? Los. Los. You are the next. Top and second. Let's get it, Los. Top and second round. I'm waiting on this water. His mama out there shit. Los, ready his water coming right now, right now. Hold on a second, Los. I ain't about to give you a bar. Look, but we got his water. He said he about to give you his bars, man. Hey, Los. Nature boy that took his hat off, he mad now, nigga. Come on, man. They took your hat off, man. What you top of the second? Let's get it. Right, this is the part. I don't want to beat. Yeah. Okay, alright, the second round. He thinks slow as fuck. He say a little punchline style. Second round is the beat. Let's get it. So this is how we get all them niggas that look fucking dumber. Why the hell do them boots look like that you should be a plumber? And they just the shit over here looks like a faggot. That's the same shit. Rhythm Nation, Janet Jackson, who the fuck is you? MC Hammer, taking off my heat, talking about my grandma, you still live with your mama in the basement, acting like you had on a spaceship. All the fucking plugs in your basement, same shit. Nah, nigga, you know it was a dog, lock the fuck up. You was down there like, hey, shut the fuck up. My nigga style trying to record and make a song. You was over there trying to smoke sounds all day long. Talking about dimes, nigga, you wasted your time. If you went to Taco Bell, you would need to get a quarter for your sale. Pounds, think we move them bells. Your dumb ass don't even know. It's hard to tell. Yeah, fish scale. Where am I your ass with the fish scales in the Mad River? Bitch ass niggas like you, we eat you for dinner. You just a fucking fag and a pretender. And I'ma do this so your ass
shit. What the fuck is them shoes, man? I never heard of it. They don't even have a symbol. Like I told them, that's a symbol. It's the instrumental. When I get inside this mental to break the nigga down to every molecule and fuck the mineral, dude. I'm the general. Just play your fucking part. Over here, we pull out the tools and remove your heart like Kano. I flamethrow. If you ain't know, I'm insane, bro. Hold the title. Stuff like Michael or Kobe or LeBron. The game of Losiano. You the one. You can never hold a baton and run on the track cause you fucking whack. That's why you got on that black on black. They turn the lights out. We ain't cat. Tallest motherfucker in the club. See you 10 times but no bitches. You get no love. You at home jerking after you get home from working. Resurgence. I hope this shit's recorded so they can see when I say my wording. That it's 10 times 1,000 better than your shit that you serving. The sticks that make me burritos instead of trying to spit hot on the fucking beat, bro. Real shit. Independence Day is Will Smith. You don't know. It's like Muhammad Ali, the champ, the great one. You just hate son. I do this days by the sun. You can never rap daytime. Nature boy. What kind of fucking name is that? Is you a wrestler? Who does that and they rap, nigga? Okay, second round.
Y'all make some noise for Los. We gonna keep this shit fair. Y'all make some noise for Los.
Los, second round on Nature Boy. Right now, you
Nature Boy, it's on you.
Is you ready to say beat? Hey, DJ, don't turn it off. I'm about to ask you that. Same deal I asked you ladies. Who like the nigga that eat pussy? It's just what this nigga is. I'm about to lock you down. No homo. It's your pussy, right? Pussy though. I told him they got the pussy flow. And I be asking like those what he looking for. See, I'ma snap on him, back on him. Grab the AK-47, I'ma tear the fucking back from him. You got back on me. You want whack shit. See, anytime Nathan doing this on flex shit. You want some neck shit. Nathan boy about to cut your fucking head off. Just come on that neck shit. You think you about to stand out, I'm about to flip, homie. So what the fuck you keep talking all this shit for? I just told him that your Nature Boy is schizo. Rob your bitch ass, nigga, you don't talking shit, no. Got a little bit stacked up, I get more. But hold up, Mose, what the fuck you talking shit for? Cause when you say you rent, but that's what I got money for, I own my shit. So fuck how I look, cause that ugly ass dog in your leg fucking tough. See you faking in nature, see you like what I do, but you're a hater of nature. You pussy, put your pants up, cause at the end of this battle, you put your hands up. I'm trying to get my grams up, but you be selling nickel bags, get my grams up. I do this shit, you a whack ass rapper, you do that shit. Guess what, you ain't do that shit. Probably cause you was born with this my shit. Nigga, you are not ready. These fucking carry on my shoulders are heavy. The mic keep cussing out, but fuck it, everything I say, you keep cussing out, pussy. Hey, second round.
Hold on with the beat. Y'all make some noise for Nature. That was the second round.
What's your name?
I don't want to.
Battle goes so far.
I got the mic, so I ain't gonna say I can't say the word.
Battle goes so far though.
And we gonna let the crowd judge.
You say next taking it so far? Hey, third round, I can tell him.
We got the third round coming up.
No beat. I mean third round. Los on you.
Switch mics.
Go ahead and go. Come on.
Yeah.
This one gonna kill it. Los is on you, third round. Nature, where you at? Where you go? Oh man. Now why is it? Alright, I mean third round to him, but y'all already know. Now the last one y'all know that I was on my job. Did this motherfucker just say that he was about to give me slime? And that's some game shit if I fuck me a blood. Who the fuck says that, my nigga? You not really know that? Now how the hell his breath really up here smelling like shit? Then he just dropped down to his knees and the last one like about to suck dick. Who the fuck spit? Is that what you talking about, bro? Cause when you got on the floor with your ragged ass boots, you look real dumb. New clothes get you some. I thought you was a bum. I thought I was supposed to put some change in your cup before I come. Inside the club, you talking about you getting down, get done, and
run shit like a track team. That means vaccine. You understand? You ain't writing shit. You working Taco Bell. Like I said, dropping a lot of sales. You ain't got no mail acting like you got more disasters. Nigga, you wouldn't have no mail if you was a fucking postmaster. Your brain's always stopping calls. Go faster. But if I send you a bird, you look like you ain't getting no ass, bruh. So stick the drop it to your knees and sucking dick. And when you leave here, go to Dollar General and get you some toothbrush and shit. Your shit is getting me high. That's bringing back my buzz. You the reason the mic keep going out in this motherfucking club. For real, bro. You probably gonna fog up the lens. And I'm surprised. I really should have told dude not to let your whack ass in. But I needed a motherfucker for me to come up here and shit on again. And everybody came in this motherfucking club because they knew I was gonna win. I'm surprised y'all can't smell the shit from sitting over there. The motherfucker was talking your ear, you would probably burn your chest or melt your motherfucking earwax. It's hard to hear that. Yeah, you don't want to get it's in over there, so I can't smell it. And they can tell it. I should have never let you hit my shell hit. Unless you look like you were trying to get some dick or a pelvis. You're not a legend like Elvis. I'm gonna split your fucking ass open, but it ain't gonna be shellfish. Nah, it's over, man.
Yeah, that was the third round. Losiano, third round. What y'all think? Yeah, alright. Nature boy, third round. You ready, Nature? Third round, bro. Hey, Nature, you closing the battle. What you gonna do, my nigga? You closing the battle.
Good shit, Los.
Oh my God.
Boy, you next.
You guys just told me about to close the battle. I think that means I'm about to close the door. This freestyle to a beat. I don't know what's around. Whip on the nigga, I'm doing it quick. Niggas my name and I'm doing my shit. Not at me cause I'm doing your bitch. She like that real Jamaican dick. Well, my cut off fucking nigga, all is well. You work so whack to me. Rapping against you, what happened to me? I'm doing big shit. Bitch, think I beat shit, I eat shit. You were fake sneaky on that sneak shit. Fuck my breath, nigga. This is war. Make sure you wear a vest, nigga. Breath, nigga. Tearing off your chest, nigga. First off, I'll pop the alcohol. You're a bitch, nigga. I talk shit, you're not out, boy. Talk it if you wanna, I'll knock you out, boy. I do my motherfucking thing, though. You look like you should be on the corner playing banjo. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna stop, bro. You were ugly as fuck with dreads, Bohemian cock wash. Baby, my nigga. Told him that they could do it. But wake the fuck up. You're not even worth rapping to. You do on the beat because you know nature will see through you. Faking the fuck battles is nothing. 10 hours for one battle to drop. That shit is profit. 20 minutes, shit is done. Now where I'm at, you need to get my son. They call me angel because if I feel hot, I get the sun. You talking drama shit to me, I'll get that you ain't even shoot the niggas that robbed you, but you want to try to. I feel you though. But fuck that, boy, nigga even hit the door. Son in the closet when I spit the phone. Los, you're all say, what you rapping for? Nature's automatic clapping for. One shot to your job, make you clap your dough. Knock the nigga never that. Everything you try to do, I'm better at. They need an alto ring the size of a cowboy.
Y'all make some noise for Nature Boy and Los. Y'all make some noise for both of them.
I need y'all to go online. I need y'all to vote. Right in the comment box. Right in the comment box. Right up under this. In the comment box. Vote. Y'all say Losiano versus Nature Boy. Who y'all think won? Next battle, 1000 versus PNMC, nigga.
Hey, that's what real niggas do. You see they shaking hands? You know, they don't know I'll see you outside type shit. They don't say, my nigga, I'm getting my bars up, and I'll see you at.
I just got word that we got a female battle. Do we really got a female battle coming to casino?
Now that first girl, check this out, y'all.
Casino!
The first girl that's out here spinning.
Casino! Come here.
She done got called